Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to tell you a bit more about what's happening next week. So these video clips are going to be more or less the same. You're going to see me cooking, you're going to see me doing crazy things, but there'll be just a little bit more learning because what I'll be talking about will be the theme from my weekly lesson, which you can find over at teacherjoseph.com. My weekly lesson is usually something related to British life, British culture, British history, and there's some new words in there and some idioms, phrasal verbs, that kind of thing. So I recommend you go to teacherjoseph.com, read the weekly lesson. It's updated every Sunday evening British time. So I usually update it around 7 p.m. and then I post the audio. And then from Monday, I'll be doing just a tiny little clip related to that. Okay, so it's nothing for you to worry about. Nothing's changing. I'm not going to be forcing you to study, nothing like that. It will be just a few minutes. Think of it as a thought for the day, but about English. Okay? There'll be a daily affirmation, trying to encourage you to be the best person that you can be. And that's it. Okay? So don't worry, there's no hard studying. But if you could read the weekly lesson, beforehand, you probably will get more from these clips. So just think of them as a thought for the day, every day, to motivate you, to push you a little bit. Now, you know I have my podcast as well. That's also on YouTube. That'll be focusing on sound and accent reduction. So if you really want to get into that, you can listen to my podcast, and also my podcast will have the other things that it always has, which basically news stories from the day, other crazy things from English life and culture. So there we are, just making things a little bit more organized on my side. That's it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let's talk soon. See you. Bye bye.